Lina, what happened, baby?
I think like a seashell touched her foot or something.
There was a whole bunch of seashells touched her feet. It was like
She
a whole
flipped
pile.
out.
What's up, everybody?
Welcome back to our channel.
In this video, today we're going to be doing a beach day. We're at the beach in San Diego. We got all 3 babies with us.
Really?
Yeah.
It's gonna be Eden and Ezzy's first time at the beach. The last time Lina's been at the beach, it was...
She was young. Eden wasn't even born yet.
Yeah, she was still an only child. She was like, I think just over a year, so...
Yeah, she was a baby.
This is going to be our first time taking both boys to the beach. We're super excited. I'm honestly kind of scared that both Eden and Ezzy are gonna end up eating a lot of sand.
Ezzy for sure. He's about to be face deep in sand as soon as we get there.
I hope not. But yeah, we're dressed warm because we were supposed to be getting here earlier, but it's 11 o'clock and it's a warm day, so
yeah. We're
gonna start getting all the babies' stuff out together. I'm not looking forward to the walk to the beach.
How far is it?
It's like right around the corner, but just with all babies. We didn't bring any strollers, so.
Oh, that's fine. We'll be good.
And we have stuff to carry.
All right.
You guys ready for the beach? Wow, that was super unenthusiastic.
Mm-hmm.
Are you ready for the beach?
Yes.
Say yeah. Yeah. Bubby, say yeah.
Bubby's sleeping.
What? Nina, Nina, Nina. Bubby, Bubby, Bubby. We're at the beach, Bubby. That's the enthusiasm I want to hear, Ezzy Bear.
Bobby and Nina and Ezzy.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the beach. Okay, so we did a quick outfit change on all the kids because I brought an extra change of outfits for them. He's in the same thing. But look how cute they look. Eden's in his mood. Lina, you excited? You excited? Yeah, she's ready. You got smoothie on your face. You got your sandals. Eden's in shorts and whiny. And then look at Ezzy Bear. You're all ready. All right, you got your toys, Lina, in your backpack?
All right.
Okay, let's go. You ready? What, you don't want to hold my hand anymore? Hold mommy's hand. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Excuse me, look it. Lina's holding Dada's hand. Thank you.
You see the ocean, Bubby? Where's the water?
Over here. Up there.
Yeah, it's over there.
Right there.
Yeah.
Up
It's the water, yeah. Ezzy, what are you eating?
there.
What you doing, Lina? Last time Lina was at the beach was, I think, like, she was like 13, 14, 15 months. She was so cute and so tiny. Now look at her.
Look, seashell. Seashell.
And then you have Eden, who's a little bit more skeptical about the sand. Is he afraid to touch it? And then Ezzy's just big chillin'. You could probably take a few layers off you, Ezzy. You want a suntan?
Luna, you grabbing any seashells? Bubby does not want to get down. He just wants to hang out right here. Lina, you want to go touch the water? Was it cold? It's cold.
She doesn't want it because she picked up sand with it and now it's dirty. That's why she's like wiping her hands on it. She's like, I don't want it. She's trying to give it to me.
I'll put it in my pocket.
She just needs to get used to being dirty. Bobby, why?
Whoa! Tell the birdie to run away.
Look at the babies in the water.
Bubby, you gonna go play in the water? You gonna go in the water? No, he's scared. He doesn't even want to stand up. He doesn't like his feet touching the ground.
I feel like our kids have like something, like a problem with like getting dirty.
Yeah.
Because Lina doesn't like her hands being dirty, her feet being dirty. Same with like Eden. Or is it cold? It's cold. Put your finger in it. Is it hot or cold? It's cold. Yeah.
You wanna go swimming? It's too cold. It's too cold. Whoa. It's a big wave. Good job.
You're disgusting.
Wow.
Oh, here goes the water.
Uh-oh.
Here comes the water.
It's cold.
It's cold. Say bye-bye, water.
Bye, water.
I wanted Bubby to touch the water, but he's gonna flip.
He's gonna spaz. He's like, too cold, too cold, too cold.
Look at the bird. Look at the birdie. You see the birdie?
Here comes the water. It's okay. Come on. Oh. It's okay, baby.
You know what happened, baby?
I think like a seashell
Seashells, yeah.
touched her foot or something.
There was a whole bunch of seashells touched her feet. It was like
She
a whole
flipped
pile
out.
of them.
Uh-oh.
Look at the big birdies. Look at the birdies.
Look it, Dada brought you water.
You want to go back up there?
All better? Yeah, we can go back up
I
there.
could go get them a pile of water from the bucket and then make sandcastles.
I think they're both done.
Yeah, I don't like that. Come on,
Come
go back
on,
up.
you gotta be careful with the water, okay? Don't spill it.
Bubby,
All right, what are you guys building over there?
what are we making?
Making a castle.
Making a castle.
As Pete says, they're making the Colosseum.
We're gonna have them fight to the death.
Bubby is still spazzing over the sand, so he's sitting on my pants over there. He wouldn't even walk from like here to there. I had to grab his hand, and even then he was still kind of freaking out. Lina is getting more accustomed to it. I'm getting super hot. I self-sabotaged and wore like a sweater and a long sleeve shirt, and I was like, oh, I'll just take off the long sleeve shirt and wear a sweater and it'll still be like cool enough for me to be fine in that. No, I am dying. So I have like my sweater halfway off, and yeah, I'm still hot. Ezzy has moved into just his long sleeve onesie, no pants. If he gets too hot, I might turn it off or take off his onesie too.
Okay.
Pete's over there living his childhood dreams.
Okay, we gotta break it. All right, ready, Lina? On
Break
three.
it.
Push it. 1. Bubby, you ready? 2, 3. Break it. Get it, Bubby, get it. Break it.
Where's Dada's feet?
Lina, where's Dada's feet?
Lina is not minding, she's minding herself right now.
Lina. Lina.
Peace. She's over you right now. She does not look happy.
Lina.
You got tickle Dada's toes. Tickle Dada's toes. You got tickle, 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 tickle. Now we gotta bury Lina's feet.
No.
You don't like it, baby?
It's okay, Lina.
Okay, just brush it off.
Good job.
We gotta start taking them to the beach more.
There they are.
They're like way too like sheltered in the sense where like they're not enjoying this experience as much as they should be.
Bubby started to. He was just touching the sand right now. He's playing with it.
That's good. Bless you,
It just
Ezzy
takes
dear.
him, you know how Bubby is. He needs time to adjust to things.
Yeah.
To
I mean-
people, to places, to things. He needs time to adjust everything.
Ezzy literally hasn't slept at all this morning. I know he's exhausted, but I think he's just like way too stimulated to like be able to like relax.
Ezzy bear. Ezzy bear. Ezzy.
You think he's hot? I mean, he doesn't feel hot, but do you think he's hot?
Ezzy bear. You playing? Wow.
Oh my goodness! You fell back again. Come on.
Ezzy's being a mess right now.
Bobby, drink some.
Ezzy doesn't want to go to sleep. Bubby, you cleaning up? Oh, Ezzy bear, what's the matter? Alright, so we're on our way home from the beach. We're leaving right now. Come on! Lina doesn't like walking in the sand, neither does Bubby. Come on!
I don't know if you guys can see the view, but I'm like, that's just literally beautiful. Literally beautiful. Hold on, we might be able to get better footage once we like turn. It's so pretty. Whoa! Look how beautiful that is. This is where we live. Not really. We have to drive to see this, but
Like a 10-minute drive though.
yeah, it's like a 10-20 minute drive, but look how gorgeous that is. I mean, I don't know if the camera does it justice, but it's gorgeous.
Looks like me when I wake up and I look in the mirror.
Oh my god.
That's my thoughts. I'm like, damn, gorgeous.
At least he has good self-esteem. I wake up in the morning and think the same thing about you.
Yeah, I know.